PDF Broker software provides 4 different methods for distributing PDF documents. In this video, we'll demonstrate the archive and copy to folder dispositions and show how you can secure your documents with security profiles. The copy to folder disposition saves your PDF documents in a predefined location on a local disk or network share, allowing users on the local network access to the files according to how the shared folder's access permissions are set. This type of router is set up by selecting Copy PDF File to Folder from the Disposition pop-up menu, which reveals this Browse button. Clicking on Browse lets us select a directory for saving the PDF files created by this router. While operating system permissions work well at the directory level, it may be necessary to provide better granularity of access control to individual documents. PDF Broker software allows you to do this with security profiles, which allow you to select exactly what kinds of operations can be performed with a given PDF file. To create a profile, select New Security Profile from the Edit menu and provide a name for the profile. We'll create a profile that prevents unauthorized modification of the PDF file's contents. All security profiles have a modify password that overrides the permissions specified in the profile. You can optionally specify a read password if you want to require a password to open the PDF file. Since we want to prevent modifications with this profile, we'll uncheck Allow Modifications, Annotations, and Page Manipulations. Click Save, and we can now associate this profile with routers. Archiving in PDF Broker is designed to be lightweight, scalable, and reliable. It is based on the popular SQLite open source database engine, which is in the public domain. SQLite is a serverless database engine ideally suited to this purpose, and for advanced users, the SQLite command line tool is distributed with PDF Broker for direct manipulation of the archives database. Let's create an archive to hold purchase orders. Archives can have a flat organization, or their contents can be organized into date-based subfolders. For our purchase orders, we want them to be placed in a separate folder for each month. If we want to prevent modification to the documents in the archive, we check the Read-Only Archive checkbox. Once created, the properties of the archive on this first window cannot be changed. All archives have read and write passwords. Anyone with these passwords can access the archives regardless of the security model. There are 3 types of security models to control who can access the contents of archives: password only, administrators only, and Active Directory-based users and groups. We'll use an Active Directory-based security model so we can see how that works. In this left-hand panel, we see the groups and users defined in the Active Directory domain. We can toggle the view between users and groups with this display button. We've created a group called Purchasing Agents in Active Directory. We want any member of this group to be able to access the purchase orders archive. Using this approach, access to the archives is determined by whether a user is a member of that group. We'll also allow domain administrators access. Once an archive has been created, you can use it as the target of the Place File in Archive disposition when editing a router. Users can browse and search for documents in the archives with the PDF Broker Archives application. This application is installed as part of the PDF Broker software and is also available as a standalone installation to enable archive access from non-server workstations. You can browse the contents by clicking on an archive and viewing its contents, or by searching using a variety of search criteria. Once a document has been found, you can view the preview stored in the database or open it in place. If you want to save a copy of the document, you can extract a copy of the document to a local drive. That concludes this video on saving, archiving, and securing your PDF files. Please watch the next video in the PDF Broker video series on transforming legacy printing. Thanks for watching.